traumas and personal situations that might seem a little bit challenging now, there always is a bigger reason for it. I'm aware that what I just said may sound a little bit too wishy-washy to some people, and it also may trigger some other people who are in a harder part of their journey that perhaps think what I just said sounds a little bit dismissive. But let me assure you that I say this as someone who has come out of a very dark and hard lot of experiences myself. And I can tell you experientially that it is our pain, our darkness, our suffering, heartache, and grief that are our biggest teachers. I am extremely thankful because that has helped me to develop into the person that I am now, and also to be able to connect with people who haven't yet made it to the other side. Our biggest spiritual growth will often come from these moments. That is the instigator.